Again, we are back with a Palak Paneer recipe, but in a very easy, quick, and simple way. If you find the recipe easy, then please give it a thumbs up. So let's start. In a karhai, take half cup of water, add 1 inch of roughly chopped ginger, 1 medium-sized onion roughly chopped, 6 to 8 garlic cloves, 2 tomatoes, 1 cup of spinach, we are going to blanch our vegetables and then make a fine puree of it. Add 3 green chilies. Mix everything and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. It is done. Now switch off the flame and remove the skin of the tomatoes and let it cool down completely. Then run it in a mixer grinder to a fine puree. Strain the excess water and reserve it for later. In a karhai, take 1 teaspoon of clarified butter, add 1 cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, 4 to 5 cloves, quarter teaspoon of black peppercorns, half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it splatter. Now on a low flame we are going to add our dry spices. For that, add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder. We are going to mix it and cook it till they turn aromatic. Our spices are done. Now add the prepared spinach puree. Mix it and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes on medium to low flame. It is done. Now add half teaspoon of garam masala powder, salt to taste, mix it well and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Now add the cottage cheese or paneer pieces, mix well and let it cook on medium to low flame. Add crushed kasuri methi, 2 teaspoon of fresh cream, Mix everything well and then transfer it to a serving dish. Our Palak Paneer or cottage cheese with spinach is ready. Garnish it with some fresh cream and grated cottage cheese. If you find the recipe easy, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe the channel for more such easy and delicious recipes.